Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to data point of chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet with chart. Now I add border this chart of data. This Select this data point, then right click on this selected data point. Now you can see here are format series. Now go to fill and line. Now click this border and choose solid line. Now change your solid line color. Now I choose this green. Now increase your border wide. Now close this windows. Now you can see I add border to data point of chart in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.